Hazrat Zayd bin Thabit radiyallahu anhu states, Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu sent for me when the Muslims were on war with the people of Yamama, while Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu was also accompanying him. Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu said, Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu has come to me and said, many Quran readers have been martyred in the battle of Yamama. So I apprehend that the martyrdom of the Quran readers at many places will lead to the loss of much of the Quran. So I suggest that you may pass orders to collect the Quran. Thereupon I said to Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu, how can I do a task which Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam has not done? Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu said, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, it is a good action. So Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu kept insisting me until Allah Jalla Jalaluhu opened my heart for it. And I also agreed to Hazrat Umar's opinion. Hazrat Zaid narrates that Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu said, you are a young man, an intellectual, and none has any doubt about you, for you used to write down the revelation for Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So search and compile the Quran with a strenuous effort. So by God, if there had been imposed on me the task to shift the mountain from the place to another, it would not have been difficult for me than to compile the Quran which he had commanded me to do. I thereupon submitted, why do you do a task which Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not do? He said, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, it is good. So Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu continued insisting me until Allah Jalla Jalaluhu opened my breast as he Jalla Jalaluhu opened the breast of Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu and Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu. So I collected the Quran from the date palm barks, pieces of stones, and from the hearts of the men, and I even found the last verse of chapter repentance from none but Hazrat Abu Khuzaima Ansari. Assuredly, there has come to you a messenger from among yourselves. Heavy upon him is your suffering. To the end of the chapter. So this Quran compiled remained in the custody of Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu, and when he passed away, then it stayed with Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu throughout his life, and then in the possession of Hazrat Hafsa, the daughter of Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 4986.